Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make a beef, veggie, and chicken quesadilla. These quesadillas are quick and easy to make, and each one of them takes less than 15 minutes. If you like some variety in your life, these quesadillas are for you.
Round 1, taco beef quesadilla. Let's go.
Into a pan on medium-high heat, add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and add a pound of lean ground beef. If you use lean ground beef, you won't have to deal with the fat later on. Now let's bring this beef to life. Add 1 package of your favorite taco spice mix. All the spices you need in 1 package. Mix together your flavorful taco spice with your beef. And now let's add step 2 of Flavor Town. 3/4 cup of some jarred salsa. Salsa will add an extra layer of flavor and some moistness to your taco beef. Taco beef complete. It's quesadilla time. Let's spray some non-stick cooking oil onto a pan and turn your stove to medium-high heat. Let's drop a tortilla and let's bring on the cheese. Now let me show you the secret on how to make this quesadilla perfect. Now leave your quesadilla for the cheese to melt until the bottom of your quesadilla looks like this. Then immediately turn off the heat. This prevents your quesadilla from burning when you're putting on the fillings. Alright, let's bring back our taco beef. Now if your taco beef has cooled, heat it up in the microwave. Then fill your quesadilla. I like to add some canned corn in this recipe because it adds a touch of sweetness. And if you have some green onions, let's add some extra color. Once you're done adding all your favorite toppings, let's fold this quesadilla over. And there you have it. Perfectly melty cheese and crispy quesadilla with no fuss. Bring your quesadilla over to the cutting board and let's cut this masterpiece for serving.
Round 2. For our veggie friends out there, we haven't forgotten about you.
Let's make a delicious and healthy black bean quesadilla. Open a can of black beans. Now let's bring the can over to the sink. Into a colander, dump your canned beans. Then rinse them under the tap until the water runs clear. Alright, let's get our black bean quesadilla filling together. Add some black beans to a bowl. For this quesadilla, you can put any vegetables you like. I like to put in onions because it adds some crunchy aromatics. You can also add some green and red peppers into this quesadilla. The green and red peppers will add such a beautiful color contrast. It will also add to the taste of the quesadilla. Then add some canned corn for the extra sweetness. And I like to add a 1/2 teaspoon of taco seasoning for some flavor. Now heat up your veggies in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute. This will ensure your fillings are all warm for your quesadilla. Now this is the same step as before. Add your tortilla and cheese to a medium-high heat pan. Now leave the heat on until the quesadilla bottom looks like this, and then turn off the heat. This will ensure your quesadilla is perfectly cooked and cheese perfectly melted. Without the stress of anything burning, add on your warmed up bean filling. And fold. A perfectly cooked quesadilla with no flipping involved. Wasn't that quick and easy? If you're liking these quesadillas so far, press a like down below and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.
Final round, my personal favorite, BBQ Chicken Quesadilla.
For this part, we're going to use some leftover chicken. Just dice your chicken into bite-sized chunks. I used some leftover rotisserie chicken just to make this recipe so quick and easy. Let's add some diced onions, followed by some diced green peppers, and finally some diced jalapenos for some extra heat. Pour in some of your favorite barbecue sauce, and it's mixing time. Let's head over to the microwave to make this recipe a 1-pan recipe. Heat your chicken in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Alright, I bet you're an expert at this part now. Onto a pan on medium-high heat, add your tortilla and cheese. Then once your tortilla looks like this on the bottom, immediately turn off the heat. Then add your reheated barbecue chicken filling and fold. Did you know that this barbecue chicken quesadilla was inspired by one of my favorite Domino's pizza? I bet you can guess which one that is. A barbecue chicken quesadilla with one pan, cheesy and delicious, all in under 15 minutes. And there you have it. 3 beautiful different quesadillas for you to enjoy. Serve it with some sour cream, salsa, or some cheeky ranch. If you enjoyed these quesadillas, check out my leftover chicken quesadilla recipes.